Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials by clicking on the subscribe button, and do remember to click on the notification bell icon to get instant notifications.
Hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials and yet another video about the chipping issue on the Oneplus 5T. But then again, we won't be wasting a lot of time on this particular one because kudos to Oneplus, great support, kudos to the community. Well, they went ahead, supported me, and Oneplus also agreed to go ahead and replace the back panel. Now the back panel costs around 5,000 rupees, so that is a pretty costly part that they have replaced for me. So I really appreciate that, and I have a message for everyone else who is facing this particular issue. If the chipping is minor, like there are just one or two dots, please go ahead and stop using the supplied case which came with the phone and use a different case, maybe a OnePlus official case or a third-party case which you prefer, and keep cleaning your phone from time to time. Once again, I would like to appreciate OnePlus for clearing my doubts about their after-sales support, and they are definitely brilliant. So hats off to OnePlus. And apart from that, well, as you might have read in today's title, today's video is about a short unboxing. After that incident, I didn't really want to take any chances with the new backplate that OnePlus has installed on my phone. So I went ahead and ordered myself Kapaver case for the Oneplus 5T. Ordered it from Amazon, ordered it yesterday, got it today using Prime, and it costed me around 524 rupees. Heard good things about it. So we're gonna unbox this, we're gonna install it on our phone, and we'll see how the feel is, how everything else goes.
Alright guys, so this is the actual case. Came in through Amazon, and that's my OnePlus 5T. So where does it open from? Okay, let's go ahead, and I don't yet have an unboxing knife. I will have one soon. Okay, let's see. There we go. Let's see what it says. Kapaver. The MRP is 1,099. But then again, let's see what we have at the front of the case. It says the different feeling satisfied customers all over the world. Eco-friendly pouch. There's some recyclable sign and stuff like that. Looks like it is okay, so they've said that you have to cut over here, so let's go ahead and do that. What's this? Okay, here we go. Go ahead and cut that. Okay. I actually wanted to get the carbon black case from OnePlus. So what do we have inside the box? We will leave this aside, and there's this, and so let's have a quick look at the case. Okay, so that is how the case looks. It costed me 524 rupees. It actually is a soft touch on the inner side. It is not that flexible, but I'm worried that I should keep it or not, because let me grab my original case, just a moment here. All right, so for comparison, this is the case that created all the trouble for me. This is actually very soft. This is the case that comes out of the box. So we're not going to use this anymore, of course, because this is what we've ordered. So I'm going to put this on, and before I put this on, let me show you what OnePlus did. So what OnePlus basically did is they actually went ahead and replaced this entire back panel. So as I did show in my previous video, let me show you very clearly that this is a brand new panel. that they have included, the back panel, and they told me that the costing is around 5,000 rupees. So that's quite steep, and quite possible that they are right, because the fingerprint scanner is embedded and a few more things. So okay, so let's leave that aside. We don't need that. And let's go ahead and try to slide this particular phone in. Okay. All right. So there is actually a glass screen protector that I have installed on the phone. So even with the glass screen protector, it fits pretty well, and it has this particular lip protection, which is good enough. If you can see, I guess you can see. So this lip protection that you see, so if you place the phone like this, it won't actually stay put on the screen. So that's some safety for your screen. At the same time, if you have a look at the back of the case, as I'm moving my finger here, there is a recess which is good enough. So even if you keep the phone like this, actually your camera lens is safe. Talking about the build quality and looks, I pretty much like it. It is a very good quality case. You can easily reach the fingerprint scanner. And let me see how tactile the buttons are, because they are covered. Okay, the feedback seems to be pretty easy. So yes guys, overall a good unboxing experience. Nothing magical here, nothing out of the ordinary, but then again the phone looks great with this particular case, and I think it should do a good enough job of protecting the OnePlus 5T from scratches or stuff like that. So that was unboxing and a quick overview for you guys, and I would like to end this video on a closing note stating that for guys who have been facing this paint chipping issue, notify your OnePlus centers, make them understand what problem you have. I'm sure they will cooperate, and if it is just 1 or 2 smudges, don't go ahead and do that, because they will not cover that under warranty. I wish you good luck, and I'm sure OnePlus is a good company. If they have resolved my concern, they will resolve yours as well. And before we go, I would like to remind you guys that the giveaway for the Redmi 5A is on. If the channel makes it to 4,000 subscribers, I will be giving away one brand new Redmi 5A. Thank you for your time guys. Like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned. Goodbye.